What I've learned in English was basic communication skills. First of all, Sir Poncilla, thank you. Thank you because I've learned so much and I learned how to speak in English. And even if I always absent, you force me to study hard and to study very, very hard, sir. And thank you, you give me another chance to go to your class. I'm so very thankful that you're my professor because this is the first time I have a professor like you, sir. Thank you very much.